Fonseca. My teacher is Miss Mianes. CEA is special to me because my mom came to this school. I am happy to go to the same school as my mom. Second, because I can do karate in my school. Last, because school is fun and I can learn. My name is Alatni Paris. I'm in Miss Mia's class. CEA is special to me because I can do violin. And it's fun. CEA is special to me because I love my teachers. CEA is special to me because I do art and it's very fun.
Thank you so much.
My name is Ever de la Vega Berrios. My teacher is Miss Mianes. CEA is special to me because I learn a lot. Second, CEA is special to me because I love Miss Mianes. Last, CEA is special to me because I love art, voice, and karate.
My name is Arles Gray, and my teacher is Miss Cruz. Conchita is amazing because there are nice teachers. Next, Conchita is a beautiful school. Last, Conchita is the best in the world.
My name is Elizabeth Flores Garcia. CEA is special and unique because it takes care of me. It also makes me happy. I love CEA so much because it is so fun. CEA is the best school. My teacher is Miss Food. Conchita is special and has the best teachers. Conchita is the best school and kind to the students. Conchita is beautiful and the best. Conchita is the best one in the whole world. Hello, my name is Adrian Senior. My teacher is Miss Cruz. CEA is important for me because I have so many things I love, like learning. I also really love making new friends, and I also love really doing all kinds of sports. My teacher is Miss Cruz. CEA shows me love. CEA teachers are the best. CEA is the best school because everyone likes it. My name is Olivia and I'm in Miss Plantada's class. What Conchita Espinosa means to me is dance and learning everything. I love the assembly because I get to see performances on the stage. I love to learn because I get to learn math and reading. I love dance because I get to dance with my friends and be kind to others. Thank you, Conchita, for our school. My teacher is Miss Plantada. What Conchita Espinosa means to me, Conchita to me is amazing. It is the best. They keep me so nice. They are really special to me because they really care for me. They always take care of all the kids and even to the 8th graders. Our teachers are the best. This is the best school ever. Teachers treat us so nice and they tell us how to learn and that's how we learn. Conchita Espinosa. Thank you for everything that you do to everyone at the school. My name is Bianca Luna Salemi. My teacher's name is Miss Plantada. What Conchita Espinosa means to me. Conchita to me is the best school. It helps me to be kind and learn and be strong. My teacher is the best. It is so kind kind of everyone to be the best. They help me to make more friends. I've gotten smarter every year in this school. Thanks to Conchita, I love all the classes, and I learned to read and to do math and to dance. I learned more Spanish every year. Gracias, Conchita.
Conchita Day is about remembering the fantastic, talented, kind, and amazing woman who founded this wonderful school. Conchita was a girl from Cuba who believed that the arts were an important way to learn. She would practice with her dolls and pretend to teach them. As she grew older and her family learned that it would be best for them if they went to America, USA, she would get her money by teaching kids how to play piano in her own garage. She saved enough money to build a school. She started at first grade and all of the other grades below first were in the little grade. Later she added more and more grades all the way until 8th grade. Last she added a conservatory because she still believed that the arts were an important role in learning. Conchita Day is not just about founding the school, it is also about her birthday. So now you know part of Conchita's amazing and beautiful story. So I hope you have a great rest of your day.